Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for the perfect gift for that golfer in your life, then look no further. You're going to want to get this rangefinder from PeakPulse.
If you want to play smarter and not harder, then you need to get this compact, powerful tool that every golfer needs. Don't let the size fool you. It has a 7 times magnification and the ability to measure up to 1,200 yards, and it gives you pro level accuracy on the course. All you have to do is aim, lock on the flag, and get your yardage instantly. It even works with slopes or tricky flags. It is built for convenience with the rechargeable USB, and you can take it out on the course worry free with its bag and the little lanyard that is included. That way, you're not guessing and you can play the best game possible. My husband and I absolutely loved using this on the course, and we couldn't recommend it more.
Make that golfer in your life extra happy and get them this rangefinder. You are going to love it. They're going to love it. And that's my point of view.